Hello everybody, how is it going? My name is Curtis and today I just have a very quick little video for you. Thank you so much for opting into my last page, and if you did opt in, that just means you are obviously either an owner of this PLR package or you are interested in purchasing the PLR package. So congratulations to you on at least taking the next step and utilizing this PLR package. But what we're going to go over in today's video is we are just going to go over how to set up the links on the back end, because a lot of people have some difficulty setting this up, and you're leaving a lot of money on the table if you don't set it up properly. And obviously we don't want that, so we're just simply going to set this up together, and we're going to do this for each and every module in the asset class. So when you purchase a course, you're going to automatically be prompted to this page, and it gives you some instructions, but to be honest, I think they're a little bit vague. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do it in person. So next, what you're going to do, once you read this, you're just going to click on the next button. It's going to bring you to the next module, and you're going to be prompted with this screen here. And once you're prompted on this page, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and come down here, and here's all the assets and all the tools you can use for this particular product. First thing you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and download the course. So we're going to click on this. That's going to download automatically, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to click here to download the funnel template. So go ahead and click on that, and it's going to download to your funnels automatically as well. So now we're going to go back to the courses tab. So head over to products up here, go to courses, and there's some things we need to adjust on the back end. So you can see I just have those two downloaded, the new system to launch an online business. In fact, I'm going to delete this one, and we're just going to work on this one, and we're going to do this exact same step for every single module. So just go ahead and click on this. I'm going to go ahead and click on the drop down menu, and then here you can see we have all of these modules for this particular product. So go ahead, we're going to click on intro, the new system to launch an online business. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to prompt you with this video right here, which is perfect. What you're going to want to do on this page is right down here, there's a button that says get started for free. You're going to want to for sure put your affiliate link in the URL tab over here. So we're going to go to our affiliate dashboard. We're going to grab our link right here, going to copy that, go back to the editor, and we're going to paste that link in here. So if anybody after buying the course decides to sign up for a system, then you obviously will get that referral. So go ahead and click save and close out of this. Next, we're just going to do that for every single module. So same thing, click on module 1. We're going to go down and we're going to click on the button. Again, we're going to put our URL in here, and we're going to do that for every single module in this course. Module number 2, same thing, go down, click the button, put your own link in, save changes, exit, and then on to the next module. And we're going to do this for every single one. This is so important. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is once you've downloaded the PLR package, again, that's the very last module here. You're just going to click on this and click on download here from the membership site, and then obviously download the sales funnel. But that's going to show up in your courses assets as well. Go ahead and click on this, and then we're going to find that exact same module, the new system to launch an online business. Going to go ahead and click on that, and then there's a couple links we're going to want to change here. So if you remember on the original page where you bought the course, it's going to have these buttons here that you've already downloaded. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go and grab our own affiliate link for the funnel template. So we're going to go over to our funnels. We're going to see the funnel right here, the new system to launch an online business. Click on these 3 buttons here, share, copy that link, come back over to our own sales page, and we're going to place that link right in here. This is so important. Make sure you do this. And then same thing here, we're going to change this click here to download the course. Okay, so we're going to go over to courses. We're going to grab our course link here, click share, copy, go back to the editor, and we're going to plug that right in here. And that's just our own affiliate link in here. So you've got to make sure you do this step. It's very important. Save that and exit. And we're going to rinse and repeat that for every single one of these packages. So coming back over to here where you bought the course, you're going to do the same thing with how to make your first $1,000 online. You're going to download the course, click here to download the template, and we're going to rinse and repeat those steps. Okay, so make sure you do that for every single one of these. Put your own affiliate links in for system, and your own affiliate links in for the funnel, and your own affiliate links in for the course. I hope this helps.